Hi there, my name is Vishal from MyWeb, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a pagination into your category list or a brand list or any kind of table list. Okay, so in the last video I fetched all the category list from the database, and I want to set up the pagination like this. So I visit the Get Bootstrap as the bootstrap and go to the docs and change the version because I'm currently using the 4.6 version, and set the pagination. I want to set up a pagination links like this. Okay, like if I have previous, if you don't have previous, then it's shows a disable, or it's look like active or inactive. Okay, but before doing that, I'm just show you some codes for this pagination code. So I am coming back to my test.php file, and I remove this all things and open a new PHP tag. I'm just going to explain all the things which is helpful for our pagination setup. So if we have a number of records per page equal to, I want to show the only 5 records per page, and here is our total records, and now we have total records is 20, okay, or 30. Now I want to find total pages, so just write a total underscore pages equal to dollar total records divided by number of records, divided by number of records per page. Okay, and if I echo it, total pages, and I remove this test.php. okay, as you can see, it shows us 6. Now we have total 6 records. What if we change in 30 into the 33, 32? Okay, press Ctrl S and refresh. It shows the 6.6, and that's not a valid number for our pages. So we have a method is cell. Okay, and now we have 7 pages, and how can I print these things? So I take a for loop for this. So for $I equal to 1, and again $I less than or equal to, okay, less than or equal to total pages. If our records are matching with the total number of records or less than, then show us, or either it's a break it or break the loop and coming out from the loop. Okay, and $I increment and echo $I and concatenate with space. Okay, yeah, and refresh. Now we have seven pages. If I change the quantity of per records of per page, so I set it 10 and refresh. Now we have 4 pages. Okay, if I change it to normally 30, so it must be show us 3 pages. Okay, so now this is our basic formula, and now we need to apply this formula at this category.php file. Okay, so after that, after testing all things, I'm coming back to my crud.php file, and I changed something in the category.php file. So first of all, I changed with the parameters with to this table name. So I remove the table underscore name and dollar table underscore name. Okay, and if I check the records again, so admin slash category.php, it's a uncached argument because I am not defined the method name, sorry, first parameter of this method name. Where is your method? Yeah, here is your get, and I put the name of table, so category. Okay, now I am refresh. Not looking good. Now I am just want to show the only 5 records per pages, so I change into the query. So I set the limit 0, 5. Okay, this is our limitation. Refresh. Now we have only 5 records. And what happened if I change the 5 again and refresh? It shows the 9 records again, and it's replace all hide all the 5 records from here. Okay, here is your category database. Okay, if I put name, which is headphones, and again see, before entering this, look at this cloth category. Okay, and again a speaker, headphone, and here is your monitors. Okay, and save. 6 and refresh. Okay, now our monitors is again here. Okay, so now again we don't need to think, so I replace this 6 with the offset variable, like second parameter, so dollar offset, and set records, so dollar records per page. Okay, and copy and replace with 5, so dollar, and here is our third parameter is set. Okay, and yeah, the category, the first parameter will be 0, 5. Let's check. Oh, sorry. Yeah, all is going good, and refresh. Yeah, without doing anything, it shows 5 records only, and I put the change into right here. So again, here is our page number, or just it's just a 0. Okay, and number of records per page. Okay, I just gave the third parameter and define it here. I want to show only 5 records. Okay, Yeah, it's cool. If I change it here is 6, it's also 6 record. Okay, now after that, sorry, we need to write the pagination method. So I write another new method for this. So public function pagination, and the pagination. Okay, I write query and select. I want to count all of them, so I count all from table name. Okay, and give the first parameter table. Okay, and now prepare this. So dollar statement equal to dollar this db sorry prepare our query. Okay, now I'm going to execute this code tmt, and it's executed. And what we have to do next, we need to write this. Okay, we have this formula, so I copy this and paste it here. Now we don't have this and this, so just control C, and total records, I want to take take the total records. So dollar total records equal to dollar stmt fetch column. Okay, and return this total pages. Okay, and after that I come back to my category.php file, and after this table closing the table tag, I write another paragraph and take a look. Now we need to put these things like a for loop. So I take a for loop at here, dollar I equal to 1 and dollar I less than or equal to total records. Okay, total records like this. Okay, total pages or total total records or total pages. Okay, and but we don't have that total pages method right here, so I just call that method. So dollar obj pagination, the first parameter is table name, so I put the category. The second parameter is number of records per page. Yeah, and stored into the total underscore pages. Okay, and into the for loop I increment it dollar I plus plus and echo again $I. Let's see in refresh. Okay, so we have only 1 and 2. Okay, I just change into the 2 records per page. Okay, now we have 6 pages total. We have total 6 records. Now I'm coming back to my bootstrap page and take a UL class. Okay, UL class pagination of bootstrap, and before the opening of the for loop, take a UL class equal to pagination, and after that close the UL tagget here, and in this class in this loop we write this record. Yeah, I copy this, or you can also simply write echo li class page hyphen item, and again anchor tag hyphen reference, anchor tag. Okay, hashtag, and take a class name of anchor tag page hyphen link, and put your $I. So $I, and check into the browser again, refresh. It's not showing us why. Okay, I can't connect with this. Yeah, sorry. Now we have links, which is again look like cool. Now I put the link URL, like I want to show like this question mark page number equal to 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, so I copy this and also remove it, and into the anchor tag here is your hashtag. Paste it and concatenate dot single muted comma dot single muted comma, and put the $I. Okay, check in the browser again. Yeah, it's save and refresh. If I click on that, it shows page number 2, page number 3, page number 4. Now we need to change all the records as per as the page URL. Okay, page number. So we need to get this page number URL. So at the bottom, at the top, if we need to fetch all the records. So if is set $_get, what we have, page number, and save into the page number equal to this. Okay, else again. If I got nothing, then it's but it's this value is by default equal to 1. It's a default 1 and refresh. Okay, okay, and replace and copy it and replace with this. Here is our offset, so dollar page number. Okay, paste and refresh. Okay, so if I click on the 1, so it's 2 3 3 4. Okay, it's not looking good. Okay, because if I click on the 1, it's not showing us the 2 3. So what we need, I just page number -1. Okay, yeah, now it's starting with 1 2 and click on the 2, so it shows us the 2 3. Okay, okay, it's when I click on 3, it's a 3 4, and that's not good. So I just going to come back to it here and into. Okay, just write the offset again, and at the top I just calculate it. So I want to write the clean code, so dollar offset and open dollar page number -1 into dollar number of records per page. Okay, now refresh in the browser. Okay, now 1, so it's 1 2, and if you click on 2, it's a 3 4. Now it's looking good, and that's it. Okay, now I want to write like this, this previous and next and the first and last page. So again I'm coming back to my page, and where is opening my eval class. Okay, so I just copy this. Okay, we need to close this li tag also. Okay, and I just copy it and paste it here, and here is your page number equal to by default is 1, because it's our first page. Okay, and refresh. Now if we click on this first link, it's going back, it's gone to the first page. Okay, now the last page, so I copy this and it's our last, and at here I just echo php echo dollar total underscore, it's total pages, so total underscore pages. Now it's good. Now refresh last, and if it's already on the last page, I want to disable it. So what's the class of disability is disabled. Okay, now when to make another logic at here, okay, wait a minute, where is it? In the class of page item. Okay, so it means at here. So open PHP tag and make a logic. If our page numbers, like if our page number is greater than or equal to total pages, dollar total pages, then it show us disabled. Okay, or nothing. Okay, equal to echo and yeah. Yeah, okay. Now refresh. It's disabled. Okay, yeah, space. Refresh. Now if it's already on the last word, it's disabled and you are not able to click on dates. And if you're going back to the 5 pages, it shows it's active. Now we need to make next, or so again I copy it and it's our previous button. And again, if our page number is less than or equal to 1, it will be disabled. Okay, echo disabled. Okay, again check in the browser, refresh. So as you can see, it's already on the first page, and if you on the second page, it's active. Okay, again we need to write the next. Okay, yeah, here is your last page. I just copy this code, and after the for loop I just write next, and if the page number is greater than or equal to total pages, it's also disabled. Okay, refresh. If it's already on the next, those buttons are disabled. 5 is active. Okay, and now I want to active this thing. Where is this? In the page item active. So yeah, I have another logic. If page number equal to $I, then it shows, so it's echo with active class. Okay, either way, else copy this, right? Non-active class. Okay, now press the Ctrl S. Yeah, Okay, and check into the browser, refresh. Okay, now we are on the 5 page, and click on the 2, 3, 4. So now as you can see, all the pagination setup is fully set up, and all the things are okay. Now I just change the records on the per page, which is 5. So I set up 5, and uh, what happened, 5, and refresh. Okay, again, yeah, all things are okay. Yeah, okay, so all is okay. If you click on the 2, 3, all is okay. But if you click on the previous button, it's went to the first page directly, and if you click on the next, it's not going to the second page. It's also placed on the page number 1, as you can see. So how can you manage this? So in the anchor tag of the previous button, here is your anchor tag. So take it, copy these things and paste it here, and echo hash else echo, and here you go, page number, and now connect this, and a dollar page number -1. Okay, now that's good. Now press the Ctrl S. Yeah, semicolon. Syntax error on the line number 121. Okay, else, and I close this. Yeah, perfect. Now refresh. Now if you click on now click on the third page, and if you click on the previous button, let's go to the second page and the first page. Now again I'm coming back to this page, and I copy this code, okay, and change the anchor tagline, and here is your anchor hyperreference. So replace with the hyperreference and echo it with hashtag. If page number is greater than or equal to total pages, the ID the hyperreference will be hash, and it's mean blank, and else echo question mark, and it's mean get page number equal to concatenate with dollar page number plus or page number +1. Okay, let's see. Okay, sorry, we don't need to do that. Yeah, semicolon, and yes, save. After saving this, what I got error at this line. If echo else Yeah, I forgot to put this. Yeah, now all is okay now. Semicolon at here. Okay, now all is going good. Refresh. Now click on the next button. Now it's going to the third, and click on the previous button again. Now, so now our all the keys are working fine, and so I hope you can understand how to make a pagination and setup into your project. So meet you soon in the next video, and stay with me. Happy coding.